Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Venmo for business payments and withdrawals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down and find the Payment Methods option. Tap on Add Bank or Card to link your business bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. You may need to verify your account by entering microdeposits. After your bank account is linked, return to the Settings menu. Scroll down to Business Profiles and tap on it. Select Create Business Profile to set up your business account. Fill in the required information, including your business name and type. Add a profile photo or logo to represent your business visually. Set up your business category to help users identify your services. Configure your payment options by tapping on Payment Preferences. Choose how you want to receive payments, either through your linked bank account or Venmo balance. Make sure to review your settings to verify they match your business needs. Once you're satisfied, exit the settings to return to the main screen. Now, you can start accepting payments for your business through Venmo. To withdraw funds, open the app and tap on Manage Balance. Select Transfer to Bank and choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer and wait for the funds to process. Keep track of your transactions in the Activity tab for easy management. You are now ready to use Venmo for business payments and withdrawals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.